Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson AM08. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson AM08 is sounding dodgy, it's likely due to a failing component within the machine. This issue can stem from wear and tear over time or possibly a buildup of dust and debris. If left unaddressed, the problematic sound could lead to more serious damage, ultimately resulting in a complete breakdown of your device. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement circuit board, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure the device is unplugged to prevent any electrical hazards. Begin by using the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the base of the Dyson AM08. Gently lift the casing off, taking care not to force it as there may be clips holding it in place. Once opened, locate the circuit board. It is usually situated near the fan assembly. You may hear the dodgy sounds emanating from this area. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the board, noting their placement for reassembly. Use the flathead screwdriver if necessary to pry off any stubborn connectors. When you have access to the circuit board, examine it for any visible signs of damage such as burnt components or loose connections. If you spot a faulty part, remove it by unscrewing any securing screws. Be gentle during this process, as other nearby components can be delicate. After extracting the defective board, take your replacement circuit board and position it in the same place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, referring to your notes for accuracy. Before reassembling the casing, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from inside the machine with the isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Once everything is in place, carefully snap the casing back on, making sure all clips are secured, and replace the screws in the base. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your Dyson AM08 and check for any wear and tear on the components. Keeping it free from dust and ensuring it is well maintained can extend its lifespan significantly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.